Alright, so welcome back to another day in a life. Today I'll be working on both of my bikes today. Here I have to redo my front tire because it got installed backwards, so flip this one around. And then the drivetrain, the derailleur, the rear derailleur is it got damaged last time I was riding, so that needs to be looked at, and they both need to be washed, so I'm gonna wash both of them. And this one has just been out like multiple times and it has not been washed. And then yeah, we can oh, also there's some new pedals, so I'm gonna install these new pedals and yeah, redo everything. And then I'm gonna switch these two tires out, so, or not switch them out, I'm just going to put this one on the front and put that one on the back, and then just this one a wash, and then tighten the brakes maybe because they need to be tightened. But other than that, this does not have anything I can do more with it. Alright, so quick update. Now I'm cleaning the bikes, so I am rinsing, and I'm going to, after that, detail and maybe even, or yeah, detail and then re-lubricate everything after it's all clean. So, and then I'll install the pedals. Now that I got everything done on the bike, I can finally move on to the new pedals. So, yeah, I'll just open, yeah, let's see. Ooh. They'll probably really hurt when your foot slips off them when you hit them with your shin. So let's get the old pedals off and then I can put the new ones on. So, just gonna use the pedal wrench and get them off. Here are the old pedals compared to the new pedals, and they are quite a difference. So they're almost like a quarter of the size larger, but let's see how much they weigh. So we're going to go to the scale, set this one on. So this one is 110 grams or 3.88 ounces. One is 174 grams and 6.17 ounces. So there is a trade-off for the larger pedal, except the larger pedal will have a lot more foot space, so it'll be easier to have your footing when you're pedaling. This is what they look like on and done. So they look pretty nice. And yeah, they match the bike, and they'll hopefully be a much better option for pedaling. So yeah, thanks for watching.